Hey everyone, Brian Beatty, Century 21 affiliated here in beautiful Clearwater, Florida. If you've got a boat and you're looking for a local resource on a place to launch it, Seminole Boat Ramp is what we're going to do the video on today. Great place, downtown Clearwater, just north of the Clearwater Bridge, directly across from Island Estates and off of Seminole Boulevard and Osceola. If you've got a boat, want to get out, this is a great resource. Launched here many times myself. If you like this, subscribe. If you know somebody that like this, share it. And if you got any comments, we'd love to hear it. As always, be kind, be safe, and make sure you support local businesses. So, there's bait shop in this video. Give them a call, give them some business. I'm sure they'd appreciate it. Have a great day.